In today's video, I will teach you how to try on themed outfits or Halloween costumes using AI. Let's get started. If you want to see yourself in a superhero costume, cosplay outfit, or a spooky Halloween costume without actually buying or wearing it, AI can instantly transform your photo and let you try on any themed outfit or costume. To do this, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then log into your account for free or sign up if you don't have one. Now click the plus icon in the prompt box, then select Create Image to open the image generation mode. Then click the plus icon again, and select Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Now choose the image that you want to edit from your computer. Then make sure to choose a photo with a clear view of yourself and a simple background for the best AI results. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want the AI to do with your photo. Include the outfit or costume type, style, and any props or accessories. Here are some good prompt examples. The more specific you are, the more realistic the AI result will be, so mention details like colors, patterns, props, and pose adjustments. Now press enter to let the AI create your image, and wait a few seconds for the AI to generate the transformed photo. The first image may not be perfect, so you can tweak your prompt or regenerate to improve it. Small adjustments help the AI output look more natural and consistent with your original photo. And once you're satisfied, hover over the image and click download to save it to your computer. You can also click share to post it directly to your social media. And here are some tips for beginners. With these steps, you can try on any themed outfit or Halloween costume in seconds, no changing rooms required. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.